Hi everyone, welcome to SSS Day 12 Spirituality Made Simple with Dr. Saurabh and Sanjeev. Uh, we are going on a great journey to a subject known as anger, and I'm waiting for my friend. Hi,
Hi
Doctor.
Sanjeev, how are you?
How are you? Good, good. How about you?
Very good. I have gotten myself a new stand so I can stand and talk instead of sitting down.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome.
ऐसे कुछ अलग किया जाए लाइफ में. So I'm standing and now communicating with everybody. How are you? And how's everybody on the other side of this screen? How was everybody's what I think now 48 hours with dealing with anger?
Anger. So it is all good, great, and people are liking it. People are talking some messages, some contacts, connecting. So there was a point where somebody said that we would want to start with how to manage self anger.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah. So do you think it's fine? We can talk about that right now?
How to manage self anger? Yes, absolutely. I think we're good. Let's do that.
Let's do that. So, doctor, we start with you.
So how to manage self anger? So I would say, I hate the word manage. I get angry with the word manage because you don't need to manage. You can let it go. Why do you have to hold on to it?
True.
Management is what? That means I have to carry something for the rest of my life. Oh, I have to manage my marriage. I have to manage my kids. I have to manage my jobs. See, there are certain things that we have to hold on to, we have to do, which maybe we'll talk about in future episodes, that there is no have to anyway. But you don't have to hold on to your whole or have to manage your anger. You can let it go. So this is what I would start by saying. Don't manage your anger. Let it go. How
Yeah.
do you let it go? That we will talk about in the next 5, 6 minutes. So first thing that comes into my mind is don't spend time with it. Surrender it to the universe. So what does that mean? Where does anger come from? Okay, so anger comes from our thoughts and our thinking. We start thinking and thinking. अरे ये ठीक नहीं हुआ. अरे यार मैंने ये गलत कर दिया. अरे पर इससे मेरी गलती नहीं थी. मेरे माँ बाप ने मेरे को ठीक से सिखाया ही नहीं. अरे ये तो उनकी गलती है. हाउ डेयर दे. अब क्या हो रहा है धीरे धीरे फ्रॉम गिल्ट आई हैव शिफ्टेड द ब्लेम to a
Yeah.
third person right now as parents because that's what normally happens most of the time, and eventually I'm angry with my parents. And who was angry? My ego.
EGO, absolutely.
So I hear this with my clients all the time, and it's like, नहीं हमारी तो कोई गलती है नहीं. Eventually, we convince ourselves it's not our fault; it's somebody else's fault, and because it's somebody else's fault, we must get angry with them.
Yeah, yeah.
Where did it start from? We being guilty with ourselves. So let's focus, if we can, today on guilt that we create in our mind, and then we shift it to somebody else. So, Sanjeev, what tool can we use to remove guilt if possible?
So, before we talk about tool, I
Hmm.
just, uh, it's such a lovely thing. It connects everything. We have a lot of people connected with
Huh.
us. We Javarani, we have Shristi, Monica, Speak to Express. Hi, Shivank. Now, interestingly, today morning I was reading something and it matched something. अभी अचानक देखो कितना अच्छा connect आया. And I
Huh.
today only I changed my WhatsApp description also. And it says जैसी दृष्टि वैसी सृष्टि.
Vesi Shrishti. Correct.
And we have Shrishti in our call also today right now. Okay, so now जैसी दृष्टि वैसी सृष्टि is a powerful tool. अभी आपने क्या बोला, मेरे अंदर गिल्ट था, मैंने गिल्ट को एंगर में ट्रांसफर कर दिया. तो practically it is like a, can I say it's a safe mode कि जहां पर आपने अपना हैट किसी और के सर पे रख के अपने आप को फ्री करने की कोशिश करी.
Absolutely. It's not me. It's not me. It's them.
I am not at all guilty. It's somebody else who has done it. And this is where I think it makes a lot of sense कि अगर हम tool number 1 use करें, and this line I got it today only, ये line बहुत powerful है. जैसी दृष्टि मतलब the way I feel inside, I am trying to see the same thing outside.
Correct.
Now,
Absolutely.
When I am trying to see the same thing outside, that means अगर मेरे अंदर से कुछ गिल्ट है, मेरे अंदर से कुछ परेशानी है, मुझे कुछ लग रहा है, तो बाहर कोई ना कोई ऐसा कुछ करेगा जिससे मुझे गुस्सा आएगा.
Correct.
And this is the point. जब मेरे को अगर ऐसा करने से गुस्सा आएगा तो क्या मैं सबसे पहले गुस्सा आते टूल नंबर 1 अपने बॉडी को एनालाइज कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं.
क्योंकि जब गिल्ट है और जिससे गुस्सा आ रहा है, जब मैं कुछ क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, डॉक्टर इमीडिएटली जो हमने पहले अपने एक सेशन में बात करी है कि लेट मी सी मेरे बॉडी में किस पार्ट में सेंसेशन हो रहा है. और जिस पार्ट में सेंसेशन हो रहा है, अपर आर्म, palm, legs, chest, back, जहाँ कहीं भी हो रहा है, just touch that part. For example, I am sharing कि मेरे यहाँ पे हो रहा है, so I'll touch it. I will say sorry. I love you. I'm sorry. I love you. I'm sorry. I love you. Thank you for showing up. इमीडिएटली जो हम रेगुलरली हर सेशन में बात करते आ रहे हैं, टिश्यूज में ये इश्यूज हैं, वो इश्यूज रिलीज होना शुरू हो जाएंगे. माई सृष्टि विल चेंज बिकॉज माई दृष्टि विल चेंज. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द टूल वी कैन यूज. व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Absolutely. So to say it in a different way for people who are listening, you can also look at it in the format of anything, any thoughts we have, whatever we cannot digest, मतलब हमें through our mind we can't accept it. That's what non-digestion means. We store it in the body, just like when we can't digest the food, we store it in the body. Similarly, thoughts we store in the body, and just like Sanjeev said, they show up in different places in the body. There is no fixed point for any thought to show up. तो ये मत सोचो अच्छा मुझे अगर काम से गिल्ट है तो सिर्फ मेरे लेफ्ट आर्म में होगा. No, there is no rules. It picks up. Yes, there are certain rules, but we'll talk about in a different video. Today it's easy to just go. That कहीं ना कहीं आएगा. और जब भी आपको जैसे संजीव ने कहा गिल्ट हुआ या कोई भी इमोशन आया जिससे आपको एंगर आ रहा है, वो आपकी बॉडी में कहीं ना कहीं उस टाइम पे सिमिलरली शो अप करेगा. And the most important thing which Sanjeev talked about, the tool he talked about, was that no one else will forgive you. No one else is there for you but you. So when you say sorry and thank you, you are saying this to yourself. And only you can forgive yourself. It doesn't matter कि दुनिया का कोई भी जना आके आपको बोले नहीं मैंने तुम्हें माफ किया. जब तक आपने खुद को माफ नहीं किया तब तक आपका दिमाग साफ नहीं हुआ. So what a beautiful tool, Sanjeev. It's just amazing what you just shared. It is so simple. Sorry, thank you. And you said one more thing. Love you. Sorry. Love you also. So sorry, thank you, love you. Sorry, thank you. Sorry, love you, and thank you for showing up.
Yeah.
What an amazing tool. So wow, it's just like भाई साहब, बहनजियों और देवियों, सजनों, सबके लिए self anger management tool. You have just got $1 million tool through 5 minutes of video. Please make sure you follow it from now on. and share with us how you feel about it.
And with this, when we meet tomorrow, we'll continue the topic of anger tomorrow onwards for this whole week. Do let us know what do you feel, and any question you have, feel free. And we meet tomorrow at 5:55 in SSS at doc.sb.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
guys, hope you're enjoying it. Have fun and stay blessed. Stay spiritual. We shall see you tomorrow.
Namaste.
Namaste.